Hey Darius, this is Richard. So to make a Facebook page, so you can see it here, this is a profile because you have friends down here. Basically, what we need to do is we need to create a Facebook page. So once you log into Facebook, you're going to go up here to where it shows your little picture, click on the drop down, and then click See All Profiles. You'll scroll down to the bottom, and you'll click on Create Page. It's going to bring you to this page right here, and you're just going to name your page. So, Fortune's Classic Painting. You'll click your category and then bio. Once you click Create Page, you're going to want to add pictures and a little bit about yourself. So that way we're able to run ads from this page. And so if somebody clicks on it, it's going to pull up a form. They can fill it out. They'll be able to see this page, and then they'll also be able to go directly to your website. So if you have any questions, very, very simple. Again, just go ahead and click here, go to see all profiles, add a new page, name it, select your category, put in a little bio really quickly, add some pictures, and you're ready to go. If you have any questions, let me know.